Alright, y'all, so what's going on? We're back. I had 7 days at work that I had to do, 12-hour shifts. Like I told y'all, I can't do this all the time, but I'm going to try and do videos on the Blazer on my 3 and 4 days. I just want to take a quick second and thank everybody for the 50 plus subscribers. The last video got over 100 views. Y'all are doing amazing. Just remember to share it with everybody that you know. Hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, y'all. Just help me out as much as you can. Like I said, I have a job and everything, but like I do this for fun. I would love to maybe turn it into something one day, but like I said, I do it for fun. I do it to show off my abilities and kind of show my build off. And this is my baby, and I want something to look back on and feel accomplished and everything. But today we're gonna focus on getting the motor out. I'm going to pull the hood off in a little bit, and probably going to do like a little time lapse of me pulling the motor, getting everything ready to get the motor out. So here she is. It's still a V6. Unfortunately, it's going to be a V6 until after New Year's. Race motors ain't cheap, y'all, so I got to save the money up to get that going. But let's go ahead and get everything set up, and I'll see you when I take it apart.
I've been tripping about some things can't change. Switch at the same time on tape. Same bag and phone call. Heard that you fought with a killer soul. I was just somewhere nobody helped. And ever since then, when I hate myself, wanna fucking end it. That's a missing. I wanna see when I'm part of this end. But when it's out what it break, I'm digging. I come sit about my hate decisions. Fucking sickening. At the same time, I'm a reach for the grapevine. But my uncle been there with a slip knot. Some of the stress got me fucked up. Been fucked up since a couple months they had a lot of luck. Okay, so outside.
Alright, what's going on? This is where we're at after that little speed up that I did for y'all. So, by the way, let me know how y'all think about that. If it's too much, just let me know. If you like doing it, I can do it more often. You never know. But this is where we're at now. All the major shit is out the way. Just got to finish getting the radiator out, getting the lines off the radiator, and then it's out. And then we got to unbolt the manifolds and undo the intake, and then just get the wiring harness out the way to where we can get the rest of it out. After we do that, I'm going to end part 1. I'm going to bring you back as I get stuff done. But we'll end this episode. That'll be part 1. And then we'll be doing another episode on taking the transmission out. So you can look forward to an episode coming out right after this about the transmission. Probably about a few days after this one goes up. You can see that one going on. But also, I just want to go ahead and make the announcement now. It's not going to be a regularly updated series, but we're going to start doing like a little garage vlog with customer vehicles that decide to come here to the garage. I got a car right there that I got to do some work on. And if you want, probably in about 4 or 5 days, that one's going to get posted up. It's going to be called Garage Vlogs. And we'll explain what's going on with that one in that video. But for right now, I'm going to go ahead and stop right here recording this little bit. I'm going to get a little bit of work done, and I'll bring you back. Oh, that's got to be one of the sexiest views of that truck right there. Well, as you can see, I was not able to get the rest of this stuff going because I have this Buick right here, which you'll see in the first episode of Garage Vlogs. But I got the pusher out the way, and she's right there for right now. We got a lot of rain coming, so I couldn't work on it on the Buick outside, which meant I had to push my Blazer outside because this is paying me. That's not. So, priorities. But got the Buick in here. And we're going to start working on her in a little bit. You'll see the progress on that one and the whole video on it in Garage Vlogs. But I figure I'd just let you know that I'm going to just go ahead and end episode 1 here. When episode 2 comes around, we'll finish taking the rest of the stuff off from underneath after we get the transmission off of it. And then we'll pull the motor out and we'll be good to go. But that's going to be it for me, guys. Hope you enjoyed the episode, and I'll see you in the next one.